Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Weekly Bitcoin options expire today. LITECOIN price rise is on whale accumulation ahead of halving. XRP from Ripple surges on possible legal victory against SEC. Coinbase suspends ALGORAND staking service due to possible SEC actions. TERRA founder KWON was arrested in Montenegro with fake documents. Central African Republic removes Bitcoin's legal tender status.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Weekly Bitcoin options expire today. Bitcoin corrects after Fed rate hike, but bulls are poised for $1.2 billion options expiry on Friday. Bitcoin's 17.5% surge in the week of March 16 to 22 caught options traders who were betting on prices below $26,000 off guard. Investors sought protection against inflation and the current banking crisis. For example, inflation in England unexpectedly rose to 10.4% in February, which is likely to lead the Bank of England to raise interest rates, increasing the likelihood of a recession. Meanwhile, U.S. existing home sales rose 14.5% in February, suggesting the housing market has hit a bottom in prices. Prices of all assets are rising, which is a typical sign of fiat currency devaluation. Bitcoin may struggle to maintain the price levels needed for bulls to earn $380 million or more today when weekly options expire. The 1.17 ratio of call-to-put options reflects the difference in open interest between $675 million in call options and $575 million in put options. If Bitcoin's price stays close to $27,700 on March 24 at 8 o'clock a.m. UTC, there will only be $21 million in put options. The most likely outcomes favor bulls by a wide margin. Thus, bears can only reduce their losses and focus on the $3.8 billion monthly expiry on March 31st. LITECOIN price rise is on whale accumulation ahead of halving. LITECOIN price rose by nearly 10%, reaching a price of $96. The 25 basis point rate hike by the Federal Reserve on March 22 seems to be the key factor for LITECOIN outperforming its crypto rivals. Traders likely saw this as an opportunity to buy the dip for LITECOIN with more upside potential. On-chain data shows an increase in LITECOIN supply held by addresses with a balance between 1 and 10 million LTC in March. The upcoming LITECOIN halving, scheduled for August 2023, could also produce a similar bullish outcome. From a technical perspective, LITECOIN seems poised for a price correction in the coming weeks. XRP from Ripple surges on possible legal victory against SEC. The Ripple cryptocurrency has risen by up to 30% in recent days due to rumors that the company could win its legal case against the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC. Ripple's lawyers filed a new report based on a previous ruling in another case, which supports many of Ripple's arguments. The lack of clear guidance from the SEC on the regulation of digital assets has created confusion and uncertainty in the market. Legal experts believe that the SEC's argument could fail, and Ripple could win its case. However, Ripple also acknowledged exposure to the Silicon Valley Bank's bankruptcy. Coinbase suspends ALGORAND staking service due to possible SEC actions. The suspension will take place on March 29, but Coinbase will continue to support trading operations on its commercial listings. The company did not offer specific reasons for the suspension of ALGORAND staking, but a Coinbase spokesperson said they are evaluating their services in light of recent regulatory scrutiny. The ALGORAND Foundation indicated that the measure was due to regulatory pressure on the exchange after the SEC's NOL's notice. Coinbase issued a statement rejecting the SEC's actions, alleging that the regulator is acting arbitrarily. Although Coinbase will no longer support staking with ALGORAND, it is unclear if it will do the same with other cryptocurrencies backed by custody programs. The future of tokens on Coinbase commercial listings is also up in the air. TERRA founder KWON was arrested in Montenegro with fake documents. According to the country's interior minister, KWON was detained at the airport. The news was also confirmed by the local publication Vijesti. KWON had received a red notice from Interpol, which means governments should locate and provisionally arrest a person pending extradition or legal action. KWON had been missing since September 2022, but claimed on Twitter he wasn't a fugitive. He's accused of fraud and being responsible for the $40 billion collapse of the TERRA Luna ecosystem. He was charged with fraud by the U.S. Prosecutor's Office hours after his arrest. Central African Republic removes Bitcoin's legal tender status. The Central African Republic has removed Bitcoin's legal tender status, according to amendments to legislation passed by the National Assembly. The new law provides for the freedom to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment in the purchase or sale of goods and services, but eliminates the obligation established in the previous law. In addition, automatic and instantaneous convertibility of funds from Bitcoin to CFA francs has been eliminated. The central bank is also considering the creation of its own digital currency to counter the rise of cryptocurrencies.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.